Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious potato salad using yogurt. We'll start by selecting the right potatoes, like Yukon Golds, which hold their shape well. Then, we'll gather our creamy Greek yogurt, fresh herbs such as dill or chives, and other essential ingredients to build a flavorful and tangy dressing. This guide will help you create a refreshing side dish. Next, let's prepare our potatoes. Cut them into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Place them in a pot, cover with cold water, and add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Drain them well and let them cool slightly before moving on to the next step. Now for the star of our salad, the tangy yogurt dressing. In a bowl, whisk together plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Incorporate finely chopped celery and red onion for a delightful crunch. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your chosen fresh herbs like dill or chives to taste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the cooled, cooked potatoes into your creamy yogurt dressing, ensuring every piece is well coated. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with a sprinkle of extra fresh herbs for a beautiful finish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.